Today we're making not your basic strawberry champagne cocktail.
And what makes this not so basic is the Grey Goose Strawberry Lemongrass we're using in it today. The new girl in town.
This is a fantastic brunch cocktail. Our strawberry fan garnish puts the fan in fantastic. Am I right? Did you guys get it? Bam.
Do you get it? The puns are on and popping today. Now, if you're brunching today at home and you need some booze, be sure to check out bottlerover.com and get some booze delivered to your door right now and make this fantastic champagne cocktail. The first thing that you're gonna wanna do is
like and subscribe. Gotcha.
What she said. And hit that bell. Grab a shaker, throw a whole strawberry in there, and give it a muddle. Give it a muddle. You give things a muddle?
You give it a muddle. Next, go in with a ½ ounce of lemon juice.
Next, sweeten this cocktail up with 1 ounce of simple syrup.
Now go in with 2 ounces of your not so basic vodka, Grey Goose Strawberry Lemongrass.
Grey Goose is never basic. Shake that up real good and then double strain it into a coupe and top it off with 2 ounces of champagne.
This is a martini and she is strong.
She's gonna get you through brunch.
We're gonna garnish with our fantastic fan strawberry garnish.
I think you've overused the word fantastic today.
I know, and it's here to stay. This whole video is fantastic.
Now we drink it.
Now we get to drink it. Hey.
Cheers!
Cheers. Are we at brunch?
It smells so good.
It's so delicious. The strawberry flavor is there.
And a lot of times with berry flavored vodkas, you can go very wrong. Sometimes berry flavored vodkas taste like medicine, but this one is perfect.
This is a Thirsty approved AF flavored vodka.
Honestly, their whole line
Yeah.
is so good.
Wow. Wow.
We killed it.
Wow.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
We gave you all of the tools that you needed to kill it.
Go kill it.
Yeah, you now go kill it.
Go ahead.